My people, I am back again with another mind-blowing tutorial video. In this video, I will review to you guys how I purchased my simple and cheapest monthly data plan that lasts very long for me. When I mean last, it lasts very well for me. To the extent that with just 2,600, I used to do 10 gig that lasted for a month depending on how you use the data. Do you understand? Now what this video basically will be doing is this. I will become, because I have three different apps I'm using to purchase my data, and here I'm going to review to you guys the best of all you can actually use. So let's just dive into the full tutorial video. And don't forget, if today is your first time coming to my channel, do well to subscribe to this channel, turn on notification sign, because tutorial or videos that I will be bringing here is what I have actually done. It's a tested tutorial, let me put it that way. So let's go guys. So the first the first app we will be checking is this particular app that says 24 data. So once you click on this 24 data, if you open it, this is how it will look like. And looking above here, I did not have any money in this account. Yeah, then as you can see, coming down to this place, you can actually buy data and you can buy airtime. Then let's scroll again and see if there is something else. Okay, then coming under this place now, so these are actually what you can actually do with this. You can fund wallet ATM, you can fund wallet bank, you can what for wallet summary. This is transaction history of what you've done. Then coming to this place now, you can actually use this stuff to buy data for MTN, AIRTEL, Glo and the rest. Then this is for airtime, the same thing again. Now my most concern is just for data, so I have to click on data. Then once I click on data, coming to MTN now, once I click on MTN, then I have to select SME data plan. Then here, let me select my data plan. So as you can see, for 30 days 1 gig is 300 here. I don't use this because I think this app is kind of high for me. It's very high, like the differences is very much. Then looking at the 10 gig that I mentioned earlier, that with just 2,600 I will be able to purchase 10 gig, or at most 27. Here 10 gig is 3,000, so that means roughly 300 naira difference is what that is actually happening here. So that has been the reason I don't use this often. I only use it when network on other or my preferable app is having issue. Then coming to the second app now, the second app I will be working with is this app guys, this app that says datas. So once you click on this app that says datas, this is the logo in case you want to download it on Play Store. And don't forget that all this stuff is available, all the apps are available on Play Store. So coming to this place, the same thing is applicable here. There is no money here. Then let me just show you guys around. Then here now is more preferable because you can actually use this particular application to buy data, buy airtime. You can use it to sub for your TV, that's cable TV. You can use it to pay for electricity bills. Then you can use it to buy pin. Can you see WIAC pin, jam and the rest of it guys? But here I'm just here for data alone. So this is what I have to do. I have to click on this data plan. Then once I click on data, I have to go back. So I have to click on this data plan. So here you select the network, which is MTN. Then here I'm going to select the data type. Normally what I selected on the first one is SME. So once I select my SME, the first one gig is how much? 300 naira. But here you can buy your 1 gig at the rate of what? 280 naira. That used to say that we are having, I think, 120 difference, difference of 120. Then the 10 gig I mentioned about that I said 26, they are selling 28. Can you see the difference? The difference is quite more. 3,200 difference. That's huge. Do you understand? That's very huge. Okay, so coming to the third app I'll be using is this data planet here. So once I click on data planet, let me open it guys. So this is my data planet. So here I have to sign into data planet. So here, as you can see, I have successfully signed in here and I have 100 naira here. And if you should look here, this is actually where I do most of my transaction. Now let's head straight to this place. As you can see, you can use this stuff to buy data, airtime, cable, electricity, e-views. You can even use it to send bulk SMS. You can use it to do what? To recharge pin. So once you click on recharge pin, let's assume it's MTN you are recharging. Then here, let's say you are recharging 500. Then here, name on card, you have to put your card name. Then here, put this and you are good to go. Do you understand? Then this one is for airtime swap. That's if you, I think if you want to swap from this thing to this thing, from Glow to MTN, so you can actually do it here. Do you understand? Then what brought me here is actually the data subscription part. So I have to select data, then click on MTN. Now here I'm to select the data type, which is the same SME. Now coming to this place, now you can purchase your data here at just the cheapest rate of 262. The other one gave me 280, while the first one gave me 300. You understand? Now coming to the 10 gig that I said, can you see this place is giving you 10 gig at the rate of 2,620 naira. So can you guys actually see that I'm not lying? Why the first one is giving you at the rate of 3,000, the second one at the rate of 2,800. Can you see why this one is giving you at the rate of 2,620 naira? So without being told, you've seen now with proof that this data planet is actually the best for you to use whenever you want to do what you want to recharge or do subscription for any of your network. Do you understand? And they work perfectly, very fast, reliable, and their data lasts very well depending on how you use it. Yes, so thank you, and please, if this video helps you somehow, let me know in the comment section. Like the video, share the video, drop your comment, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification time for more videos like this. Thanks and bye bye for now, guys. One love.